A low-energy, full LED tomato crop is optimally grown when all aspects in the greenhouse are aligned. And that's what this trial is all about. Let's talk with Erik Stappers how Philips contributes.
Well, let's have a look in the greenhouse and see the trial.
Yeah, I'm excited to see how the crop looks like. Wow, it's light and warm here.
Yeah, absolutely. We are, of course, creating the optimal conditions for the crop to grow in an optimal way here. Well, yeah, this trial, of course, is all about energy efficiency. And what we see here, we see the dehumidification system. And of course, that is enabling us to create the optimal conditions at each moment in time. And we really need it. We really need it as an enabler in low energy growing to control humidity and save a lot of energy by intensified screen usage.
Yeah, and the tomatoes, they look really nice. So what are the results that you have observed so far?
Well, what we see so far is that we actually use less heat than we expected up front.
Mm-hmm.
So we are saving more than 50% on heat input compared to what the commercial reference is. And with that, it's very important that we have this dehumidification system installed. That the system enables us to use the screens a lot, and with that insulate the greenhouse, and that decreases the heat input.
Well, the plants look healthy and thriving even from the top.
And that's also a result of using the dehumidification system. By controlling the right climate, we are able to create the right balance in the plant, strong development, but at the same time sufficient focus on nice and generative trusses.
So do you expect other results by the end of this trial?
Well, we are now going towards springtime, and we want to use the upcoming period to really focus on the Brix level in the fruits and also the taste by making more difference in the two irrigation treatments we are having in this trial.
So do you have any tips for the growers that are watching us?
Well, I have 3 tips. First of all, what we see in these low energy trials is that you have to realize high enough 24-hour average temperatures to enable the plant to develop fast enough, but especially to enable the plant to distribute the sugars from the leaves to the fruits eventually. Next to that, what we have found is that low energy input with the dehumidification system combined does not necessarily decrease the transpiration rate of the crop. And we think that growers should pay more attention to their evaporation rates in order to better control the crop and increase the efficiency.
So do you want to talk about the future? How do you foresee that tomato growing will be or evolve in 5 years from now, for example?
Well, in the future, we do expect that there will be a higher pressure on energy consumption. So growers will have to use less heat and less electricity. And that's what we want to give insight in with these trials, to prepare the growers, give them insight in how the future could look like, possibly.
So the future looks good.
According to us, yes. Let's hit you down now again. And
If you want more information about this trial, please download the article here.